Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about how to do Amazon affiliate marketing in 2020. So if you've ever wanted to do affiliate marketing and you want to start promoting products off of Amazon, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly just that. So before I really dive into things, if this is the first time that you're on one of my videos, I'm always putting out new content on a regular basis that will show you how you can make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, and different ways you could, of course, make money from home. So if you enjoy videos like that, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel down below, and then this way you can be notified whenever there is a brand new video on my channel. But without further ado, let's talk about how you can get started with Amazon affiliate marketing in 2020. Let's get right into it. All right, so before we really get into things, I want to just take a little bit of time to, of course, explain how the Amazon affiliate program works. So essentially how this works is you get signed up for the Amazon affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associates, and then you can get paid to promote any products off of Amazon. So pretty much anything you could think of, jewelry, shoes, luxury products, hair products, furniture, music, movies, tablets, video games. There's a whole bunch of things that you could promote off of Amazon. Just about anything you could think of that you could find off of Amazon, you could recommend as an affiliate. And when you bring a customer into Amazon and they buy something, then you get paid a commission. So it's a pretty cool concept, and it's completely free to start. You just get signed up right here. And then you could just get signed up there. And then right here it says earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. Now keep in mind that is at the very most you could expect to get. Usually on average it's around, I'd say, like 3 to 8% is what you could expect to get with one single sale. But it is, it's something that you can get, and if you can get a large enough following, then it is a great way to make some really good money off of the Amazon platform. So that's pretty much how it works there. And the other thing that I want to mention is that even if someone doesn't buy a product right away when they click on your link, as long as they click on one of your affiliate links and they buy something within the next 24 hours off of Amazon, then you will get paid a commission for that as well. So that's just one other thing to, of course, keep in mind, and it's one of the other benefits with the Amazon affiliate program. So now I want to talk about, okay, how exactly do you go about promoting products off of Amazon? Well, I have 5 steps right here that you, of course, need to go through in order to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. So step number 1 is you, of course, want to sign up for the Amazon Associates platform. So in case you haven't done so already, you, of course, need to get signed up with the Amazon Associates platform. And to do that, like I mentioned, you just want to go to Amazon, the Amazon affiliate program. And to find this, what you'll want to do is you can either go into Google, search up Amazon affiliate or Amazon Associates, and you'll find the link usually at the very top, or it'll take you to this page right here. And then you could just sign up through there. Otherwise, you can go to the Amazon.com website. And then when you scroll down to the very bottom, there should be like a link that says affiliates. When you want to click on that, and it'll take you to this page right here. So once you get here, what you want to do is you want to click on the Join Now for Free button, and it'll just have you go through some, fill in some basic information, name, email, phone number, all that type of stuff, location. What do you, they'll also ask you questions like, what do you intend to promote off of the Amazon platform? What's going to be your way to get customers onto the Amazon platform? So it's a bunch of stuff like that that they'll ask you. They may ask for a website as well. And if you don't have that, you could always just put like your link to your YouTube channel if you have that, or you could also put like your link to your Facebook profile. So any of those things will work to, of course, get started. But then once you get signed up for the Amazon program, then that is when you can go to Amazon.com and you could start recommending any products off of Amazon.com. So right here, once you get signed up and you're, of course, logged in, you'll have this Amazon Associates site stripe at the top. And this right here, where it says Get Link, you want to click on Text. When someone goes through, let's give it a second to load up here. But when someone goes through your affiliate link, which if that wants to load up, come on, click. Okay, I'm going to close that off right here. So the Amazon link, we click on text, and this will bring up your affiliate link for Amazon. So this is the link to, the Amazon page, the Amazon homepage right here, as you can see. When someone goes to this link and they make any purchase off of Amazon, they will, of course, pay me a commission. So that's pretty much how that works there. Otherwise, you could also find any product, like, for example, This mobile phone right here is the Google Pixel 3a. So this is actually a phone that I'm currently looking at, and I'm probably going to be picking up one of these very soon. If I click on the text link right up here, this will bring up my link for if I want to promote the Google Pixel 3a phone. I could do that by sending people straight to my affiliate link for that. So you click on text. Again, looks like it's a bit loading up a bit slowly here, but once you click on that, it will then bring up your link for the that specific product that you want to recommend. Now, like I mentioned before in this video, they don't exactly have to buy that exact product that you recommend. They could pretty much buy anything off of the Amazon platform within the next 24 hours. And then as long as they buy something after they clicked on your link, then they will pay you the commission right there. So that's pretty cool about Amazon. So next I want to go to step number 2. And step number 2 is you want to set up either a website or a YouTube channel in a particular niche. Now, there's other things you can go about this. Like you could also set up like a Facebook page, which I hear you could do this with, or you could even do this like on Instagram. But preferably, I'd say the top 2 ways to promote products off of Amazon is either through a website or a YouTube channel. If you do not have either one of those, I would definitely consider starting one of those. One of those 2. Preferably, I would go with YouTube because I mean, videos are the future. A lot of people enjoy watching video reviews of physical products, and it's a great way to, of course, build up following in the long term. And YouTube also doesn't cost you anything to start, so you can start a YouTube channel pretty much for free, and then you could start putting up videos on a consistent basis. And then once you build up a large enough following, then you could start recommending products in your description. So that's just one way you can go about it. Otherwise, if you are doing like a website, you could create written reviews, you could review products like in like a blog article, and then you can include links throughout your articles to where someone could actually pick up one of the products that you recommend. So those are the main 2 ways you could of course go about it. So I preferably go with one of those, and yeah, that's pretty much the main way you want to go about it. But one example that I want to share here is actually a channel known as iJustine. I know she's also an affiliate for Amazon. She promotes a lot of products off of the Amazon platform. And in case you aren't familiar with her, she's she pretty much does videos about like technology, travel, gaming, food, all that type of stuff. So in all of her videos, or I believe most of them at least, she has links to where you could check out any of the products that she's recommending. So like if I go to Mac Pro Review, this is one video I could check out here. And this will, when I go into her description, she usually will have links to where I can pick up any of the products that she's recommending. Hold on. I'm going to mute that, and I'm going to pause that real quick. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check in her description, and I'll actually show you exactly what I mean by this. So it looks like it's kind of loading up a bit slowly here, so I'm going to pause this a minute. Okay, never mind. It looks like it's loading up here. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to go into her description, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by this. So in her description, if I click on show more, come on, load up. Okay, so I scroll down a bit more here. Come on. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, so here is where she has her links to where you could check out any of the products that she's recommending. So like, let's say for example, I see her link for Sony A7 III, and I want to check this out. I click on, I could open up this product right here. This will take me to Amazon.com, and I could of course choose to buy this product if I want to. So this is a almost like a $2,000 product right here. And although the Amazon commission rates are generally very low, if you're promoting products that are in this price range, then it is a great way to make a lot of passive income rather quickly. And you can make there is a pretty good earning potential if you're promoting more like high priced products especially. But since iJustine has really built up a large enough following in the long term, it's a great way for her to make some extra income pretty much completely passively. So she has a pretty large following, and this video alone has almost 400,000 views. So anytime someone clicks on one of her links and they buy a product within the next 24 hours, whether it's this product or anything else, then you get paid a commission on that. So that's really how it all works there. And that is step number 2. So you want to, of course, your primary focus with this is you want to, of course, you want to focus on putting up quality content. So like that's number step number 3, is you want to focus primarily on sharing information that people are, of course, looking for in your content. And what I mean by that is that I'd say the number one mistake you can make with Amazon, with promoting products off of Amazon, is promoting products directly. You never want to, of course, send people straight to, your affiliate link. You never want to make it seem like you're just there to, get people to buy your product. You want to actually focus on providing quality information. And like, let's say that you are doing a review for, the Mac Pro. Well, obviously in that review, you want to focus on, okay, how can this laptop, what are the benefits of having this laptop? What are some of the specs? What are the features that this laptop can do? Why is, this laptop better than, having like a Windows laptop? So those are things that you would want to address in your video, and you of course want to show, okay, here are some of the things that the Mac can do, and then at the very end of the video, which could be like, maybe like the last, 20 to 30 seconds, you could say, if you're interested in checking out this laptop, you could check out the link down below. I'll have a link to Amazon where you can, of course, check out this product. And then that's where any of your viewers can decide to check out that product that you're recommending. So that is step number 4. And then step number 5 is just, hold on. I want to make this, there's that. And then step number 5 is just you make money. So as long as you do this consistently, and you are consistent when it comes to sharing information that people are, of course, looking for, then eventually, once you start building up a following, then you can make money on the Amazon platform whenever someone buys one of the products that you recommend. So that's really the entire process on how to do affiliate marketing on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful, but there is one downside to being an Amazon affiliate that I want to share with you before I actually end this video off. So the downside with the Amazon affiliate program is that the commission rates, as I mentioned, are generally very low, which means that unless if you have a massive following, it's very difficult for most people to make a full-time income off of Amazon. And this is because, well, you're putting in lots of work, creating lots of content, getting it ranked into the Google or YouTube search engines, and hoping that eventually, once you build up a large enough following, that you will make a consistent income through the Amazon platform. Now, the number one mistake that I made when I first got started online is I focused primarily on the Amazon affiliate program, and I was trying to promote video games. Now, the downside with that was I was putting in a lot of work, and for what would have been like like 1 to 2% commission rates, because in the gaming niche here, the commission rates are generally very low. So my personal recommendation is that if you are completely brand new to affiliate marketing, you want to truly do this long term, you want to make a full-time income through affiliate marketing and not just kind of, make a few extra dollars here and there, then my number one recommendation would be to start with high-ticket affiliate marketing. And this is where you promote products that are more in the higher priced range, on other platforms, other than Amazon. And then you can get paid commissions that are, either, $100 per sale, $1,000, $5,000 per sale. I mean, the list pretty much goes on with high ticket, affiliate programs. The earning potential with that is a lot higher than with Amazon affiliate marketing. So that's what I would personally recommend going for if you want to truly do this long term. And if you want to build an entire business around the concept of affiliate marketing, then that is really the way that you want to, of course, start off with going with it. That isn't to say that, you can't make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. I mean, you definitely can if you, of course, focus on it long enough, but it takes a lot longer to make a full-time income with Amazon affiliate marketing, promoting, very low ticket items than it does with promoting high ticket items. So that's just the number one thing that I, of course, wanted to put out there. And if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing long term, if you want to learn how to, really build an entire business around this concept, then my number one link down below in my description will give you access to my free training, and that will go more into depth about how to really do affiliate marketing long term and actually make a full-time income off of it. And the other benefit with this is that you could also leverage an entire ecosystem that will promote multiple offers for you. So for one single sale that you get in, that could be an extra $100, $1,000 just from one single customer. So that's really the benefit with leveraging high ticket ecosystems through affiliate marketing. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. And also be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know if you plan on getting started with Amazon affiliate marketing, or if you intend to go more for high ticket affiliate marketing, which is actually what I recommend. But anyways, hopefully you found this video helpful, and take care.